Hi, this is Extend Office. Today, we'll learn how to copy headings of a document only in Word. In the document that contains the headings you want to copy, place the cursor at the location where you want to insert the outline. Go to the References tab, and click Table of Contents, then choose Custom Table of Contents. In the Table of Contents dialog box, uncheck the Show Page Numbers box. Since my document has 4 heading levels, I will adjust the level to 4 here. Finally, click OK. Select the inserted table of contents and press Ctrl and C to copy it. Now, you can go to the location where you want to paste the outline and press Ctrl and V. You can click the Paste Options button to select Keep Text Only to get rid of the styles and links. With Kutools for Word, you can not only copy the whole outline content, but also copy original heading styles in the document that you will copy outline content from. On the Kutools tab, in the Select group, click Paragraphs. Select Heading Paragraphs. Click OK. Now all headings are selected in the document. Press Ctrl and C to copy them. Go to the location where you want to paste the outline. Press Ctrl and V. You will see all outline content with original formatting are copied and pasted. To download Kutools for Word, find the download link in the video description or on our website. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Check us out on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube.